To replace steering column and shaft in your Kia Soul, follow these steps. 1. Disconnect the battery negative cable from the battery and then wait for at least 30 seconds. 2. Turn the steering wheel so that the front wheels can face straight ahead. 3. Remove the airbag module. 4. Disconnect the connector and lock nut A and then remove the steering wheel by using special service tools. Do not hammer on the steering wheel to remove it. It may damage the steering column. Do not reuse lock nut. Must be replaced with new lock nut when assembling. 5. Loosen the screw and then remove the steering column upper and lower shroud. 6. Remove the crash pad lower panel. Refer to the link in the video description below. 7. Disconnect the connectors, A, and then remove the clock spring, B. 8. Disconnect the connector F. 9. Loosen the screw and then remove the multifunction switches. 10. Loosen the bolt and then disconnect the universal joint assembly from the pinion of the steering gearbox. Do not use the bolt again. 11th. Disconnect all connectors connected to the steering column. 12th. Remove the steering column and EPS unit assembly by loosening the mounting bolt B and nuts A. 13. Loosen the bolt and then disconnect the universal joint assembly from the steering column assembly. Must be ASP calibration and EPS type recognition after assembling. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more great content.